Hey, it's Simon from S&J Hardware here. We're going to do a little video on replacing our jumbo safety from the factory safety. It's fairly simple, but very good chance you may lose the spring or dedent because they tend to fly out if you don't have them retained. But that said, if we do, we have a bunch. Here we go. So basically what you're going to do here is you're going to push out this pin and stick a finger over it like that. As you'll see, it starts to capture spring a little bit. Sometimes you need a smaller unit there. So what you're going to see now is the spring is going to pop out. So you got the pin. Don't lose that because those are a little bit harder to find. You're going to turn this upside down and take the spring and the ball dedent out. Sometimes the dedent does come out. In theory, if you can leave it in there and just drop the safety out, it makes it easier to install. So again, looseness here, pop that over, see it comes out there. There is a ball bearing in there, but generally it tends to stick in the plastic. And just push that out there. You can still see the ball actually in place. So while we're at it, we're going to install this way around. Push that back over here, lock her in place. And check to make sure the ball bearing is still in there. Make sure we got a little movement. Yes, we do. We'll take the factory spring, even though ours come with a new ball bearing and a spring, just in case you lose it. Now place it back here. It's where the fun begins. So we're going to try and capture the spring without crushing it in place. So take a little pin, push down one side closest to the retainer there. See, almost lost it there. Don't be surprised if it comes flying out. Push it down, got a bit of retention there. Grab your trusty mallet, back in place, check for function, and now you have S&J Jumbo Safety installed. Just like that.